Shelby. I work at RBP as a product development chemist. I will be doing a semi-automatic titration on our Carl Fisher titrator today. This test is used to measure water content. We use it on our electropolish solutions, such as our electropolish 2152 and our electropolish TI2, as water is a contaminant in these solutions. So I will be prepping our sample today, which we have here is our electropolish TI2. And I will be inserting the sample, as you can see, with a syringe and needle through a membrane. And I will be sure to not splash the sides so that all of the sample gets into the solvent. And then I will enter the amount that was added, and I will start the titration. As this titration starts, the titrant will automatically be dosed. As you can see, everything is sealed in this system, including the solvent and waste bottles, as we don't want to introduce any outside moisture. When the titration reaction is complete, we will be given the water content result as a percentage.